Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today we're going to be talking about Terra Luna. There are some new plans coming out from big exchanges trying to help with the burning of Terra Luna. There is going to be some voting that will be held and there is more to cover on that story. Also, maybe Kwon might be actually helping with the burning of Luna before the new blockchain is released with Terra Luna 2.0. Also, the Cardano founder Charles is going in heat with Kwon and making fun of him. There's a lot to cover today, but if you're here for the first time, you do want to stay up to date with everything to do with Luna, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button right there, slap a like on the video, completely free to do so. It will just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people see the incredible side of Luna, they decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, all of us make a lot of profits. So the best thing you can do is go down and slap a like on it. Other than that, let's get straight into it. So to begin with today's video, before we look at the 1 hour chart that is going super parabolic, I want to show you guys a breaking news that is going to make a lot of you guys super happy. If we decide to look at this article, this top crypto exchange offers to support burning Terra Luna, and the one we're talking about is MEXC. Crypto exchange MEXC has asked its users to vote on whether the exchange should support recent plans to burn Terra Luna tokens. The exchange announced the move late Sunday, which is about 24 hours ago, stating that all of its users could participate in this poll. MEXC said if at least 50% of the users approve the proposal, it will be actually done trading fee of Luna UST spot trades to begin buying Luna tokens from the open market and burn them. So all the fees that they will actually gather from the spot trade, which will be between Luna and also USDT, not UST, every single fee will be used to buy Luna and burn them. This is obviously going to be a small impact to the whole big supply we have right now, but still it's really great to see that there are some trading platforms which are trying to help. But on the other hand, people like Kwon do not want to do anything trying to burn it down and try to help recover some people's money. The exchange said it will release the results of the vote on 26th of May, which is about 2 days. MEXC is the 20th largest crypto exchange according to data. Now MEXC is a very big platform and they might have a lot of users that actually trade Luna, and if they do decide to use all of the trading fee to burn Luna and try to decrease the supply, this could be a very good way to actually decrease the supply. And if this works out really well, there could be other exchanges that could follow and also have the same voting system. And if it's seen by Kwon that this is actually doing very well, they could also try to help burn Luna and also try to help the holders start making more money. Now, before we get more into the more news, I want to show you guys the chart. The chart is starting to look very interesting. So the previous higher high was actually higher than this one. The previous lower low was lower than this one. So right now we are in a very interesting state. That's probably the best word to use, as we are going to be in a small consolidation period before we break through all the resistance and make an explosive move. That's what it means, because obviously the lower lows keep getting higher, but on the other hand the higher highs do not come down extremely. So that means for the next 24 hours we're probably going to go into a consolidation period and after that have an explosive move forward. Also, this is a way to actually control the RSI line and try to keep it in the center so the retail investors and the whales do not decide to exit the market as it has been overbought. And you can see the trading volume is doing very well. If we just look at coin market cap, you can see it is still close to 2 billion and the trading volume to the market cap ratio is close to 152%. The circulating supply is slowly creeping up, and as I mentioned, if a lot of exchanges actually follow MEXC, which is a really good plan, over time we could see a very good way to actually decreasing the circulating supply, and then maybe the reserves could be used by the team to try to decrease the supply even more. And this has to be done in the next coming 3 days, because after the new blockchain has been announced, they're probably not going to be looking into trying to burn the circulating supply of Luna. That's just my personal opinion. You can let me know down in the comment section what you think. Something else which is really interesting is Cardano's founder Charles trolls Terra's founder founder Kwon again. Terra 2, Breath of Kwon. Now this was done on Twitter. If you guys can see over here, it looks like Terra 2 will ship months before ETH 2. To think since ETH proof of stake was announced, the top 10 coin will born, die and reborn. And then he responded to that by saying Terra 2 is not going to do very well as Kwon will not be able to sustain it. I mean, personally, I do see this actually being firing shots towards Kwon as it is mentioned here. But on the other hand, Cardano is doing well, but when it comes to the price it is holding on to, 52 cents, it's actually come down quite significantly as well. It's still in the top 10 by market cap, but I don't think Charles is in a good spot to be putting backfires against Kwon right now, as he's already getting a lot of hate from the community. That's just how I see it. Now, 3 possible ways or 3 possible reasons why Luna pumped 100% over the weekend and it is still doing really well. The first possible reason why Luna is pumping could be that the project founder Kwon proposal to burn the Luna token and cap the supply at 1 billion. This process involves sending Luna to an off-chain burn wallet. Now this could actually mean that a lot of whales are deciding to buy in early, and when this burning happens they want to make a lot of money. Another possible way is Luna pumping recently is that there's really difficult for traders to short Luna since margin trading for Luna UST pairs have been removed from most exchanges. So most of the people are just buying. There is no short traders around. And finally, the proposed Terra network to be hard forked, they want to be transferred to the new chain. The majority of the community responded positive with the 80%, and that could mean that there is going to be people that will be buying into Luna before they go into the new blockchain. So those are some reasons, and just to give you guys a clearer idea. Another thing which is really interesting is Terra admits to facing technical issues in resuming the Luna and UST transfer. As we talked about in the last video, the IBC chain, they did try to make it come back or resume it or re-enable it, and it did not go well as they fell into more problems. I don't know what Terra Luna team is doing personally, because they're running into problems with everything that they're trying to do right now. I understand it is a very difficult time for them, but at the same time, small things like this, which is re-enabling IBC, shouldn't take that long, as they would just allow transfers of Luna and UST from exchanges where they're stuck for most of the people. I still think they need to get their things together before the new blockchain is released. Another thing is Terra Kwon does not want to support burning of Terra Luna. Now, he has said in the recent tweet that there is nothing that will happen with destroying the tokens. If you want to try to do it, here's the burning address, you can try it for yourself. Personally, I don't like that he's completely given up on it. It would be better to get people's trust if they just try to burn it and it doesn't work out well. I think that's just a better way to go. Even if they decide to use a little bit of the reserve, that will still be much better and beneficial for the trust of the community than just completely saying there's no way to do it. And finally, I want to show you guys this. This is where he decided to go ahead and put out the burning address. So this is the address that you have to send to if you want to burn your token. People kept asking him for the burn address and we'll do it ourselves. And after it was released publicly, there hasn't been a significant dump in the circulating supply, so not a lot of people are throwing their token away. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.